Dear students, I am Dr. Tasneem Khan, Assistant Professor in the Department of Distance Education, Punjab University, Patiala. I welcome you all who have taken admission in the 2-year B.Ed course in this department. It's a very prestigious course, and students, I'm sure it will prove to be very beneficial for your future endeavors. Now, I will just discuss a brief outline of the paper 2, semester 1, that is Psychological Perspectives of Education. And students, there is going to be a 5-day PCP which will be conducted very soon. This paper is of 100 marks, and there are two components of assessment, that is external assessment and internal assessment. External assessment is of 70 marks, which is based on theory paper, and internal assessment is of 30 marks, which is based on your attendance in the PCP and the response sheets and the house test. Now, the syllabus of paper 2 is divided into two sections, that is A and B. First section deals with educational psychology, that is what is the concept. First topic is educational psychology. What is the concept and nature of educational psychology? What is the scope of educational psychology, and what is the importance of educational psychology to a teacher? Second topic deals with growth and development. What is its meaning? What is the difference between growth and development? What are the principles of growth and development? And how heredity and environment influence growth and development of a child. Now, the third topic is Indian adolescents. What are the characteristics of Indian adolescents, their emotional characteristics, their social characteristics, their cognitive characteristics, and what are the problems of Indian adolescents, and how a family, a school, a community, mass media, and different cultures play important role in the development of Indian adolescents. Now, the section B deals with the topic individual differences. Individual differences is that no two persons are alike, and there is every person differs in their personality traits. Now, what is inter and intra individual differences? What is the concept, and what are the causes and their implications? Second topic is intelligence. Intelligence, what is the concept of intelligence? What are its theories? There are different theories which we are going to study. That is Spearman's theory of intelligence, Thurston's theory of intelligence, then Gardner's theory of intelligence, and what are the uses of and limitations of intelligence tests. Next topic is learning. Learning, what is the meaning of learning? As we know, learning is a lifelong process. Every day a person learns something. Every day we learn from right from birth till death. So learning is very, very important, and it plays a very important role in teaching learning process. What is the meaning of learning? We'll be doing this. What is the process of learning, and what factors that affect learning of an individual? What are those factors? There are some theories also, like Thorndike's trial and error theory, and second is Pavlov's classical theory of learning. Then next topic is motivation. Motivation means to make a person ready to do something and to create interest in the students. What is the concept of motivation? What are its types, and what are its techniques, and what techniques or strategies can be adopted by a teacher to motivate the children in the classroom? What are its educational implications? Last topic is learner with special needs. Learner with special needs means the children who differ from normal children in their personality traits, like in their physical traits, in their cognitive traits, in their social traits, and what are the types of special children. They are gifted children, we have delinquent children and creative children, slow learners, and how they can be identified in the classroom by the teacher, and what type of education can be given to these kind of children, and what educational programs can be adopted in this to teach these children. So, dear students, I hope you will go through insight of this syllabus, and thank you very much.